Hey everyone, welcome back. Have you ever wondered about Wicca? Maybe you've heard it's all about spells, nature worship, or even misconceptions like devil worship. Spoiler, it's not. Today, we're diving into what Wicca really is, a modern, earth-centered spiritual path that's all about harmony, personal freedom, and magic. If you're curious or just starting out, stick around. This is your beginner-friendly guide. Let's get into it. Wicca is a modern neo-pagan religion that emerged in England during the 1940s and 1952. It was largely developed and popularized by a man named Gerald Gardner, a British civil servant and occult enthusiast. After Britain's old witchcraft laws were repealed in 1951, Gardner went public with his practices through books like Witchcraft Today. He claimed it drew from ancient pagan traditions, though most historians see it as a beautiful synthesis of folklore, ceremonial magic, Eastern ideas, and his own innovations. It's not an unbroken ancient religion, it's new, but it revives timeless reverence for nature. At its heart, Wicca is deeply nature-based. Practitioners honor the earth, its seasons, and natural cycles. Most follow a duotheistic view, worshipping a mother goddess often linked to the moon, fertility, and the feminine divine, and a horned god tied to the sun, wild nature, and the masculine. Many believe in reincarnation after death. The soul rests in a peaceful place called the Summerland before being reborn to learn and grow. And yes, magic is central. It's using focused intention, ritual, and energy to create positive change in line with the universe. It's not about controlling others, it's empowerment and co-creation with nature. Wiccans celebrate the wheel of the year, 8 seasonal Sabbats marking solstices, equinoxes, and cross-quarter days like Samhain October 31st, Beltane May 1st, and Yule. These honor nature's turning points with rituals, feasts, and reflection. They also hold Esbats monthly gatherings, usually on the full moon, to honor the goddess and work magic. Rituals often involve casting a sacred circle, calling the 4 elements earth, air, fire, water, and using symbolic tools like the athame ritual knife, wand, pentacle, and chalice. You can practice solitary alone or in a coven group, and many go skyclad nude for freedom, though robes or clothes are common too. Ethics are huge in Wicca. The famous Wiccan Rede says, "And it harm none, do what ye will." Basically, if it doesn't hurt anyone including yourself, follow your true will. Many also follow the rule of 3 or law of return. Whatever energy you send out, good or bad, comes back to you threefold. It's about personal responsibility and karma, like balance. Wicca has no central authority, it's super decentralized, which means tons of variety. Gardnerian and Alexandrian, more traditional initiatory lineages with structured covens. Eclectic. Most common today, people mix and match from different sources to fit their path. Others include Dianic goddess-focused, Celtic-inspired, or hereditary styles. The key? Personal spiritual exploration is encouraged, no dogma required. So that's Wicca in a nutshell. A vibrant, nature-loving, magic-practicing spirituality rooted in respect, balance, and freedom. It's about connecting deeper with the world around you and within you. If this resonated, drop a like, subscribe for more beginner spirituality content, and comment below what drew you to learn about Wicca. Have questions? I'm here. Thanks for watching, blessed be, and I'll see you in the next one.